Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dark and Darker error code 2615. The error reads, "An error has occurred. This problem may be caused by a conflict with antivirus software. Please temporarily disable your antivirus and try running the game again. If you need assistance regarding this matter, please contact." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error appears when users try to launch the game. Some users specifically mentioned seeing the error at startup. According to our research, this issue may be caused by conflicts with antivirus software or problems with services running in the background. Other possible causes include driver issues, game file corruption, or restrictions in specific regions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure that your GPU drivers are up to date. Simply open your GPU software or visit the official website of your GPU provider, then download the latest version and install it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then verify the game file. You can do this through the Blacksmith Launcher or Steam. Just locate the game in your library, then open the settings and choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try reinstalling the Tavern service independently. To do this, go to Add Remove Programs on your PC, then find Tavern and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, restart your PC and then launch the game. It will automatically reinstall the Tavern service. Then check if this resolves with the error. If the error persists, then try letting the game through your firewall. Simply go to your firewall settings and find the game in the list of applications and allow it through both public and private networks. Once done, check for the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, and you are playing from Russia, then the issue might be due to Cloudflare restrictions. In that case, try using a VPN or warp and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then check if you are running the Gaijin.net app in the background. Some users found that running this app caused issues while loading Dark and Darker. So close unnecessary applications and only keep Microsoft native services running. Then check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, check to see if 2 instances of Iron Mace's anti-cheat are running. If you find 2 instances, then end one of them and then relaunch the game. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.